Hi Naziha. I'm your Itu je ke? Hi Hidayah. Waalaikumsalam. Hi Aidilia. You guys have finished your classes? It's a Sunday kind of review. Okay, I don't know how many people will be in, but I'm just gonna start anyways. Okay, are you ready? Kita buat sekejap je. Okay, so have you downloaded the paper, the past semester paper yang I've given you two past semesters paper. Okay. Okay. Never mind. No, some people can't join in. Okay. Okay. Hai Syafa. Sekejap. Kan orang lain masuk. Okay. Well, my you finish your account class. You guys are so busy. Now I understand you guys are working and studying. Okay. Yes, Masa. Masa. Okay. Okay. So, we can start. Okay. So the online test, the reading test, will be done in seminar 3, which will be on the 22nd. Is it 22nd? I think it's 22nd of December. Now, I've given you two past semesters punya paper. Satu is a normal version and satu is the online version. The online version ni lah will be the version that you will be doing. Okay. I've also given the answer key for the past semester paper yang online and the past semester yang normal paper. Then, I've given you the link for this semester punya paper, tapi it's a mock test. It's a link for the mock test, meaning it's the link for you to tengok how the real test will be like. But that link is not the real test, it's just the mock test. So, have you downloaded the past semester's paper? Have you downloaded yang online punya past semester paper? And have you clicked on the link? If you have, great. If you haven't, please do so. Okay. Panaslah pula. Oh, makin nak. Sekejap air panas. Ada bateri ke di sana? Oh no. So panas. Wait. Okay. Can you hear me? Okay. Now, in your WhatsApp group during seminar 2, I have explained in detail how to answer the test. So a lot of you say you tak faham. So I need to know which part yang you tak faham. So I'm doing this YouTube session to answer questions that you don't understand about the test. So please type your questions in the chat section and I'll answer them. Because kalau nak ikutkan, in our WhatsApp group during seminar 2, I gave a very detailed and clear explanation. Therefore, I don't know and I can't understand which part you don't understand. So please let me know. So this will be a Q&A session regarding the test. What the past year's question when you give us is for you. Okay, the past year's question, I give you 2 past year's question. Yang April 2018, kot tak salah I. Let me have a look. I think it's April 2018. I give you 2. Satu is online version, satu is the normal dalam kelas punya version. Let me just have a look. Yep, I give you 2. I give you 1 April 2019. That is not the online version. That is the normal version. And I also gave you a sample of online test. So you have 2 past semesters paper. That is to answer Mira Fiana's question. Yes, I have already explained the normal versus the online so that you can see how the normal paper looks like and how the online paper looks like. They're just the same. Ada a few je beza here and there, especially the giving evidence part. The normal test, dia tak minta evidence. The online test is asking for evidence. Okay, have you clicked on the link that I sent? Kalau you click on the link, you will see that for question 1, it's not asking for evidence. For question 1 that we discuss for question 1, when we discussed in the seminar 2, I said that you have to only the past year. Okay, right. Why don't you guys go take a look, click on the online, click on the link that I gave you yang ada a sample of the online test. Go click kejap. Dah click dah? Okay, so I'm doing this session because a lot of you have a lot of you cakap you tak faham, you don't understand, you tak tahu. So you have to tell me apa benda yang you tak tahu so I can answer. So please type your questions. I tried to answer the evidence but always get the wrong answer. Okay, bulio Atini. Number 1, okay, my question is, where did you get your evidence? Is it bulio or bulo? Mulo? Nah, but Atini, where did you get your evidence? Did you get your evidence from your own understanding or did you get your evidence from the passage? From statement. Then, part mana yang you wrong? Okay. Yes. The answer tu kan ada macam I just have on my phone. The online test. Okay. Let's see yang mana. Okay. if you click on the link, okay, yes, all evidence come from paragraph, correct. If you click on the link that I sent, I'll resend the link here. Click this link. Okay. Yes, you have to cite the whole sentence, correct. Oh, I know what you mean. You cite the whole sentence. Okay, tapi dia punya answer tu pendek. Alah. Alamak. Is it, can you see? Okay. Evidence. Okay. Allahu Akbar. Sekejap. Okay. I think you meant you type the whole sentence, okay? But the answer is short. Except any other logical evidence. Right. So, macam ni, the answer key too is just an answer key. It's a guideline for us to mark. But when we discuss, okay, the discussion has come to a conclusion that it would be better, it would be more suitable kalau the students take evidence to from the whole sentence. Okay, it will be more more correct, more acute, more correct, more tepat, more selamat, I would say, more selamat. Okay, so let's say the evidence is pendek macam ni. Serendipity and a sense of control. It doesn't mean that your answer is wrong. It just means that ayat yang ada benda ni would be correct. You get what I mean? Faham tak? Kita tengok mana tu question 3. Question 3 screens to left. Okay, macam question 3 tu serendipity to which line? Faham tak I'm saying? The word yang serendipity tu, if you're in that sentence, then it's correct. Because the answer key is just a guide. Because there's this, okay, great. So you faham kan? Okay, now, next. Have you clicked on the link? If you have clicked on the link, see that for question 1, it's not asking for evidence. Yang kita buat practice tu, question 1 dia minta evidence, right? Yang the vocabulary meaning tu, but this time around dia tak minta evidence. So you have to just bagi the answer only. Okay, the thing is, you have the option of giving one word answer or a maximum of a 4-word answer kot in the form of a phrasal verb. Ini tak perlu explain the answer panjang-panjang, just give. Okay, because I'm marking your paper. So I would prefer for you guys to bagi 1-word answer. I think I've made this clear hari tu and it's still the same. Cuma this time around, you don't have to give me evidence for question 1. Okay, any other questions? Letak water bilik question 1. Okay, Atini, what do you mean by later our test will be like question 1? Tak faham. For all ke just for question 1? I'm confused. Mira, if misspell, okay. If misspell, test 1. Oh, like the one on the link. Beza ke test 1 and test 2? Are they the same? Let me have a look. I think they're the same kan? Test 1 and test 2, they're the same kan? Are they the same? Wait, Mira, set. Buses, verify. The link yang I gave you, kan, test and test 2 sama je, there's no difference. Okay, Atini, tengok tu they're the same. Okay, Mira, okay, kalau misspell, alright. Kalau part stated main idea, kalau part major supporting detail, minor supporting detail, kalau there itu and a few more other parts yang you will be deducted lah the marks. You will not get it wrong, but the marks will be deducted, especially kalau lifting sahaja. Kalau macam you giving out your idea tu, it's fine lah, kata tersalah je. But if it's lifting means you ambil direct from the passage and put it in your answer. Yang lifting tu yang ala copy paste jawapan tu, but you cannot copy paste. That one you will be deducted. Markah will be deducted, especially for stated main idea. Adalah forget 0, no, but I will deduct marks. So, but it's just lifting, it's just ambil balik letak. So you don't have to think macam tu. Okay, lagi? Okay, I'm not sure how INET will will execute your test. I don't know how it's going to be done exactly for EPJJ students. Okay, but if I were to base the test ikut yang the mainstream punya test, okay, the test will be done dekat this website. The website punya nama is 4eyes. Okay, that is the link yang I bagi tu. It's 4eyes. 4eyes ni it's a platform for quizzes, for test. Dia macam quizzes, macam Google Form, macam Google Drive gitu lah. It's just another platform. So the name of the platform is 4eyes. So when you answer nanti, if on that day you have a laptop with you, you have your phone with you, you have your PC with you, and your internet is okay, you will answer all the questions dekat page tu. So you don't have to tengok, tulis kat kertas and hantar submit kertas tu dekat Google Drive ke, nothing, no. You have to answer dekat page tu. You click on your answer, type in your answer on that page. Now, let's say that day you ada issue with the internet ke, with your phone, with your laptop, tiba-tiba na'udzubillah, tiba-tiba your phone mati, laptop mati, internet down, elektrik tak ada, I don't know, something jadi, then please let me know earlier. Masa problem tu jadi, terus let me know. Tapi kalau phone dah mati, cik doa kan. So please put my number dekat mana-mana tempat, write it down, so you can call me or text me using your brother's phone, your sister's phone, your mommy's phone, your daddy's phone. Or you can go to public phone and call me. Okay? But please let me know masa benda tu jadi, there's a problem je, terus give me a call. You can send me an SMS, you can send me a WhatsApp, you can even call me, let me know, cakap, Miss, I've got a problem with my internet, blah, blah, blah. Okay? May I take picture for my WhatsApp status? What picture? My picture? Okay. Okay, next. If question asks about management, is it we need? Okay, if the question is asking about if the question is asking about main idea like I said, ada dua type of main ideas. I dah cakap Okay, now just repeat. Madam question. Sabar. Sabar, tulis okay, jawab dah. Okay, apa tadi? Nurul Aini. If the question asks about main idea ataupun topik, yes. But you have to remember, main idea, there are two types of main ideas. Number one, kalau soalan tu minta implied main idea. Kalau ada soalan say or tulis or mention the word implied main idea. Sekejap. Okay, kalau it's implied main idea, meaning you have to use your own words. You baca the paragraph, you try to understand apa the author is trying to say, and then you tulis using your own words, using your own sentences based on your understanding dalam satu ayat sahaja, one sentence. Don't write in 2-3 sentences, it's just one ayat. Itu kalau asking for implied. I know mati ni. I pun habak dulu start tu, jangan marah. Okay, itu kalau implied main idea. Another one is stated main idea. Kalau stated main idea, kalau soalan tu tulis stated main idea, write the stated main idea. Stated main idea, you have to take directly from the passage. Stated main idea, jangan tukar anything. Stated main idea, meaning take directly from the passage, put it in. Implied main idea, you have to think. Okay? Kalau topik, yes, topik ni dia bersamaan, almost the same dengan implied main idea. So implied main idea and topic, they're about the same. So you have to use your own words, your own sentence. Kalau stated main idea, baru you take directly from the passage. Do not change anything. Kalau ada question mark, comma, tanda seru, tanda tanya, everything you put it in. Okay, next question is Atini. Question 6. I don't know how to categorize the types. Okay. There are many types of support. Okay. Kita ada, I will not list all, I tak ingat, but I will list the ones I remember. Okay. We have example. Number 1, the type of support is example. Example ni is when the support tu bagi contoh. It can be clearly seen when the sentence guna perkataan macam ni. For example, blah 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 blah. That is example. Okay, tu pun dia bagi example. The word such as. There are many causes of obesity, such as eating fast food all the time, eating too much food, eating ice cream all the time, blah blah blah, such as. Itu dia bagi example. Words yang menunjukkan dia nak bagi contoh, that is example. Okay. Then we have law. Law ni paling the easiest to, sebenarnya semua pun easy kan, you just have to know how to tengok. Okay. Law is when dia bagi according to the legal act, Akta 13522, blah 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 blah. According to the Act 12252, macam tu, that would be law. Okay, then we have expert opinion. Okay, expert opinion ni when the expert, contohnya the ketua pengarah of Jabatan Kimia, Dato' Sazli Abu, feels that this issue blah blah blah. So expert kat situ when he is somebody in that field, and opinion is when the word feel, the word think, the word believe, ataupun he says that everyone should. Dia bagi pendapat, that's expert opinion. Okay, then ada research finding. Kalau research finding ni, the ayat would be like according to the results of a study done by your ITM students, 90% of blah 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 say blah blah blah. That would be research finding. Okay. Kalau statistics pun is about the same. 50% of the Malaysian population say blah blah blah. 2 out of 3 people have blah 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 blah. That would be a statistics. And then kita ada expert opinion ni, I think banyak. There's so many. Let me have a look. Apa lagi ada? Together? Okay, then ada explanation. When the ayat is about a person giving explanation, or the ayat is showing dia nak explain, then the explanation. Apa lagi? Banyak lah macam tu lah. Let me see, saya belum lagi kau tertinggal. Okay, then we have historical data. Statistic, if they give numbers, like 90% of Malaysians say this. 3 out of 5 people have blah blah blah. Explanation is bila dia explain. Expert opinion or any type of opinion ni dia kalau ada the word feel, might, could have, believe, should, dia ada perkataan yang menunjukkan orang tu berperasaan sedemikian. Explain is bila kita explain lah. The causes of lung cancer is the main cause. Okay, for example, the main reason why one of the main reasons why Malaysians are fat is because Malaysians eat a lot of makanan berlemak, for example. That is just an explanation. Okay, expert opinion pula. Dr. Abu bin Saad, who is the head of cardiology department in the hospital in HKL, feels that Malaysians should consume less makanan berlemak. He feels that Malaysians should consume, itu expert opinion, nampak tak? Can you see? Yes, expert is someone yang is a special, is an expert lah, is a specialized person in that field. Okay. Lagi explanation of medium. Lagi? Any more questions? Kalau apa lagi yang ada? Let me have a look. Apa jenis kita ada lagi? Paragraph X. Paragraph X. Okay. And then dia ada observation. Another type of support is observation. Observation tu bila when you observe something, bila observe means you tengok something. So when the word ada perkataan macam tengok, it seems that people blah blah blah, that is an observation. I have question for the question 7, type of support. For question 7. Okay. Type of support. Okay, type of support. Okay, so what's your question, Afmira? Question 7. So what's your question, Mira? I don't know your question. Yes, question 7 is asking for type of support, betul. So cakaplah apa benda type of support yang question 7 ni. A ni apa? What type of support that the question need? What type of support that the question need? You mean what is the type of support ke? Question 7A, maksudnya adakah you're asking me apakah type of support? A tu? Tak apa Mira, it's okay. What type of support that the question need? Yes, okay. So you're asking me apakah the jawapan? What kind? Madam, all notes are provided in future, right? Ideally, I've given a very clear and detailed explanation in WhatsApp group. Ada je I provide dekat future, but I don't know how to upload videos in future. So I have uploaded a video of me explaining in detail pasal this test dalam WhatsApp group. Tapi yes, I've given notes in future as well. Cuma video is ini. Okay, so to Mira, question 7A. In the following scenes, she appears to pinch. Dia nampak macam dia tengah pinch. So the word appears tu, Itu menunjukkan dia nampak C kan. So gunakan mata gitu. That's why the answer is observation. Okay. For 7B pula, it's an example. Dia bagi contoh dia bagilah. Dia memberi contoh sesuatu, contoh terhadap sesuatu. Bila dia memberi contoh, it's an example. So 7A is an observation because of the word appears. Dia nampak macam, dia observe. Orang tu observe dan nampak macam, so it's an observation. So 7B, the sentence giving example, contoh-contoh, therefore is an example. Same like question 6. Yes, same like question 6. Yes, yep. Same, kenapa phone I bengong ni? Let me go back to the ni. Question 6, sample online test. Question 6 and question 7 in the sample, they're the same. But later will be based on online test. Yes, your online test will be exactly macam link 4Eyes yang I bagi. Dekat 4Eyes punya link tu I bagi ada 2 mock test 1 and mock test 2. That's the format of the online test that you will be doing this semester. Yang I bagi the normal test tu just so that you can see the difference. I just give you for you to see it. Why did you give the normal test? I gave you the normal test but I nak you tengok. I want you to look at the comparison. I want you to see the difference. Because the questions are about the same. The context is about the same. The content pun is about the same. I just nak tunjuk the difference on, because past semester paper, okay, because ODL ni semester baru. So dia tak banyak sample question paper. So katalah you guys minta more samples of question paper. Hanya ada satu je sample of last semester paper yang online. Ada satu je sample. So I terpaksalah tunjukkan the normal sample, the normal test supaya I boleh bagi normal test. But you know you akan jawab macam mana. No, you will not answer both. I bagi both. Kok you minta extra test. So macam korang akan cakap kenapa extra test ni rupa dia macam ni? It's because ODL is semester baru. ODL happened last sem. Baru je last sem. So tak banyak. We don't have a lot of sample question papers. Sebab yelah ODL kan benda baru kan tiba-tiba kan. So we only have one sample je to show you. So that's why I bagi sample of test paper yang normal punya. So you can tengok and compare. Tapi the online test I bagi sample tu so that you know. Oh kalau online test dia akan minta benda-benda macam ni. Tapi they're still the same. Asking for the same thing. Still asking for main idea. Still asking for type of support. Still asking for opinion macam tu. So the test will be 4 to 6 PM. The test is the online test, you are given 2.5 hours sebab they take into consideration your internet connection. So the test will be for your class is technically 4:15 to 6:15, tapi you get an extra 30 minit. So it's 4:15 to 6:45. 6:45 paling maximum you can submit your test because like I said, online punya test ni, they allocate you extra time sebab takut orang ada slower internet connection, nak download or upload or you know things like that, loading semua tu. Okay. Any more questions? Buluk-buluk hati ni takkan nak jawab both. Mana sempat, no. So I bagi sample both, nak show you the differences only. But you answer format yang mock test I bagi tu, yang the 4Eyes punya link. Just the question so no, actually the question dia senang because jawapan dia, they come directly from the passage. Okay, contohnya asking for stated no, for class yang 2 PM pun you get an extra time. So let's say your class starts at 2 to 4. So you will paling lambat you can send it to me 4:30. Macam tu. Unless you ada kelas lepas tu, then I don't know. Tapi or you want to start 1:30, I boleh anjakkan ke depan. For kelas yang pukul 2, kalau you have a class at 4:30, then kalau you ada class at 4, then I akan anjakkan kita punya test will start at 1:30 sampai pukul 4. So you get 2.5 hours juga. So macam mana? Sebab kelas pukul 4 tu they don't have a class anymore after 6 kan? So tell me, let me know kalau my EPJJ students yang kelas pukul 2 tu they want to do it at 1:30, let me know. I'll start sending the link at 1:30 so that you get an extra 30 minutes juga. Kita adjust, okay? Okay, like I said, the question is not tough. Dia semua based on the question paper. You don't have to like fikir susah-susah. Everything is there macam tu. It's not tough. That's why lah. You can, I can show you more samples of the question paper. I give you more samples and more answer key, so you boleh baca dan cuba fahamkan. If you want, I can give you more. But because you got your answer wrong for the online sahaja ke or for both? Because kalau yang past semester tu okay kan, so it's because of that, like because of the evidence in the exam, in the sample tu they give you short kan, but I'm not saying that it's wrong. Dia cuma nak tunjuk keywords sahaja, and when nanti when you give your answer, nanti when you give your evidence, you give it in the full sentence, so should be fine lah. Okay. Okay, do you want more question papers? But the normal test lah, tak ada sample of past semester punya test. I can give you, I have. Tapi remember that is the old format. Bukan format baru. Format baru, you follow the 4Eyes punya page, yang punya link I give you tu. Do you need test? Share skill dan answer. Banyaklah kau, Syafiq. Baik, I jawab je. Okay. Any more questions? If no more, okay. Can you do good? Okay, for question 1, you can use a dictionary. Kalau in real life, you have to use the normal dictionary yang tebal tu. But it has to be, I tak ada dictionary dekat I. Kan ada. But anyways, if in real life, you have to use the normal English to English dictionary. Okay, cumanya right now, I know you guys are at home and you guys ada Google dengan you kan. You boleh guna online dictionary, but it has to be the English to English juga. Contohnya macam Macmillan Dictionary, Merriam-Webster Dictionary. You can use an online dictionary, boleh. Otherwise known as e-dictionary. Yes, kat rumah, yes, you can. Cambridge can, as long as there, if you have the normal dictionary with you, you can use it. But if you want to use an online dictionary pun, you can use it. But remember, kalau lah the soalan is shuffling, ada ing. So your answer has to be ada ing juga. If let's say the answer is talk, you put talking. Dance, you put dancing. Sing, you put singing. Yes, it will be easy. Dah kata senang, don't worry, the test will be easy. The more the better, miss. Okay, sure, I'll give you. Okay, macam ni. I will give you samples of more last semester's banyak papers. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me dalam WhatsApp group anytime before the test. Kalau hari test, saya tak jawab soalan dah. Okay. Alright, any more questions? Ingat implied main idea, your own words. Stated main idea, from me. Okay, do you understand about inductive versus deductive? Dekat question 10 ke question 11 Sekejap. I tak ingat the number, but I think it's question 10. Okay, question 10. Inductive versus deductive. Are you clear about that? Okay, now inductive, like I said, I've shown you dia punya what you call that, dia punya clue. Yes, the triangle. Yes. Kalau inductive, I'm just going to show you again. Where's my triangle? Okay, yes. This is my triangle. If it's deductive, D means D for down. So triangle yang menurun ke bawah lah, yang terbalik. Okay, so deductive ni, kalau sentence kat sini ni, general. Sangat-sangat general sentence. Ke bawah ni pula, ayat terakhir in that paragraph, it's a very specific sentence. Inductive, the paragraph will start with a very specific sentence and it will end with a very general sentence. Okay, macam contoh bukan contoh. Let's take the online test tu. Macam ni buka. Mana dia kecil sekali. Okay, question 10. Question 10. Okay, let's take question 10B. Question 10B, ayat terakhir. Let's look at the ayat terakhir. This study that investigated reading on screens, blah 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 blah. Ayat terakhir. Ayat yang pertama, in a study published by blah 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 from blah blah blah. Okay, so you can see that awal-awal tu the ayat is very specific. Okay, question 10B. Question 10B, it's inductive. Kan? Question 10B is inductive, right? Question 10 betul tak saya salah? Betul. Question 10B is inductive because why? Okay. Nanti bila it's asking for the evidence, jadi kelang kabut sikit hari ni. Online sample test. Okay. Okay, question 10B. Question 10B. So dia minta type. The type is inductive. So dia sudah bagi explain. You have to explain. Now just give a simple explanation macam I ajak tu. This sentence, this paragraph is inductive because it starts with a very specific sentence and it ends with a very general sentence, or it starts with a very specific statement and it ends with a very general statement. For the explanation, you tak payah cite the paragraph because you tak perlu pun. You cuma explain kenapa dia inductive. So the paragraph is inductive because it starts with a specific statement and it ends with a general statement. The paragraph is deductive because it starts with a general statement and it ends with a specific statement. That is how you give the explanation. Just remember the triangle. This is for D, down, deductive. The first sentence of this, tak payah macam tu. Okay, you just answer yang pakai simple jawapan. The paragraph is deductive because it starts with a general statement and it ends with a specific statement. The paragraph is inductive because it starts with a specific statement and it ends with a general statement. Macam tu je pun you dah dapat markah. Okay? That is the easiest, paling senang way for you to explain and still get 1 mark. So you don't have to really, if you want to do macam the first statement in paragraph is evident pun boleh. But I strongly suggest my students to give just this simple explanation to show at least you faham, at least you nampak yang it starts with the specific, it ends with the general, the inductive. It starts with general, ends with specific, the deductive. Begitu. Okay? Easy right? Easy peasy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. For question yang minta you punya opinion tu, question number 9. Okay, question number 9. Do you think blah blah blah? Remember. Do you think, you kena jawab yes or no dulu. Contoh, do you think that do you think that working out at home is better than working out at the gym? Contoh do you think working out at home is better than working at the gym? I think it's my mom. Kejap tau. Oh mak saya, my mom panggil I. Ma? Mama ni ke? Papa ni ke? Abang nak makan turun. Kau mak kau tergolek. Aduh. Langgar apa tu. Okay. Sakit. Alright, macam mana? Tadi, okay. Do you think that working out at home is better than working at the gym? Okay. You kena cakap yes or no. Yes. Dapat 1 markah. No. Dapat 1 markah. There's no right or wrong answer. Tak ada. You boleh pilih because it's asking for your opinion. So if you rasa working out at home is better, you say yes. If you rasa no, you say no. Itu dah dapat 1 markah. Okay. And then question 9. Okay. And then they ask for 3 evidence. You kena bagi, 3 evidence, 3 reasons. So you have to give 3 reasons to support. So these 3 reasons kena logic. Kena ikut you punya stand. Kalau you kata yes, working out at home is better, you punya reason ni kena logic lah, kena relate lah dengan kenapa. Because number 1, working out at home is better because for those who want to jaga aurat, they don't have to worry about exposing their aurat. Related kan? So yes, okay, number 2. Working out at home is better sebab you save a lot of money sebab you don't have to pay for gym membership. Okay, working out at home is better sebab it is a very safe environment, so you tak adalah masalah nak takut orang stalk ke balik gym ke apa-apa benda, and you can work out anytime anywhere macam tu lah. Anywhere tak, work out anytime you want macam tu. Okay, so because this question dia minta you punya pendapat, so you have, and there's no right or wrong so you have 2 ways to do this. First, you boleh ambil the reasons from the passage, and you also boleh ambil the reasons from your own understanding. Tapi dia tak boleh lari jauh. So my suggestion is that, kan dia minta 3 reasons, right? Try to use 1 reason from the passage, 2 reason from your own understanding. Or 2 reason from your own understanding, 1 reason from the passage. As long as everything is related to your stand. Kalau yes ni, reason 1, reason 2, reason 3, mesti support yes. Kalau no, reason 1, reason 2, reason 3, mesti kena no. So try to include both your opinion sendiri and from the passage juga. Okay. Does that answer your question? Bulu-bulu hati ni? Okay, great. Lagi, now kalau question minta assumption, minta topik sentence apa benda-benda tu lah, try to keep your answer in 1 sentence. Contoh macam asking for implied main idea, asking for assumption ke apa benda-benda, you have to write in one sentence. Okay, the sentence tu kena ada semua isi dalam tu lah. Janganlah sentence tu, contohnya, what is the implied main idea of paragraph 10? Contoh, your answer is smoking. Itu je. Mana nak dapat markah sis kan? You have to give it in sentence lah. Contoh, I'm just creating things. Ni tak logik pun, tak ada pun, bagi jawapan je. Contoh, the main idea for paragraph 3 lah kata. Okay. You can say macam ni, you can say macam the main idea of paragraph 3 is, then you bagi boleh, ataupun you boleh start macam ni, the advantages of smoking include this one because blah blah blah, cukup. Okay, but you jangan tulis smoking je. It has in a full sentence. The main idea of paragraph 1 talks about the advantages of smoking to a country. Macam tu, okay? Now, what if the reason makes sense to me but not to you? Tak boleh lah, because I yang kena menanda. When you make your reason, it has to make sense to me. Kalau it makes sense to you je, susah. Because bukan you tanda, I tanda. So that's why I say, bila you paraphrase something, bila you nak buat ayat, bila you want to write something, when you do it, okay, you baca tu, you rasa, will people understand your sentence? Because if you je faham, okay, it has to be logical, yes, and you have to write, and you baca balik, orang boleh faham tak what you have written? If orang boleh faham, yes. That's why I cakap, use simple words, use simple vocab, make the sentence clear sebab orang kena faham, and I have to faham. If it's just you, susah. I have to faham because I have to mark. If I don't faham, okay, can you imagine I tengah menanda kertas so I pun I tengah tanda Syafiq. Syafiq salah satu cakap apa? Oh, Syafiq nombor 2 cakap apa? Oh, Syafiq tak kau nak kos kata orang macam tu je. No. So you have to write, yes, later I dizzy. Kan? So it has to make sense to me. I yang kena faham. So bila tulis tu, use simple sentence, use simple words. Jangan cuba bombastic sangat sampai I don't faham. Okay, because I can't call every student and tanya and sambil marking tanya. Syuhada, nombor 1 cakap apa? Oh, okay. Nombor 2? Oh, okay. Jenuh I nak kos kata orang kan. Hello. Okay. Okay. Now, I do not want to take a lot of your time. So, I'll give it about 4 more minutes. Any more questions? Lepas ni, any questions I will answer. Ask je, tanya je soalan in the WhatsApp group. I will answer. But yes, I will be putting things dekat you future juga. Also, I want to talk about the second assessment, which is the written article analysis. So, yep. Okay, clear Pacific Blue? Okay. Just one more past question. Wow. Okay, I'll give you more. Don't worry. Sekali with the... Okay, but remember the sample past questions yang I'll be giving you adalah the normal past questions. Meaning questions yang dibuat for you to do it in a class. Okay? So you can see format dia lain sikit. But when you do it, please compare dengan format of the online. Sebab you will be answering the format of the online. Okay. Yang past semester paper, of course the old format. Sebab like I said, mana ada banyak sampel yang ODL kan. Sebab ODL ni kan saya mengejut kan. Okay. Tapi when you jawab, try to jawab the way the new format punya style. Okay. Because you will be doing the new format. You'll be doing the online format. You'll be doing the 4 eyes punya format tu. Link yang I bagi tu. Cuma like I said lah, past semester ada yang normal format lah. Yang old format tu yang normal. So when we do it, try to answer yes, Syuhada. Correct. When you do it, try to answer cara the new format. Sebab the questions pun lebih kurang the same kan, macam tu. Okay, contoh I tak ingat. Let's say macam the old format tu, question for true and false, ada 4. A, B, C, D. But the online format ada 2 je lah, macam tu. So that's the difference. Cumanya like I said lah, tak ada banyak samples of the online punya format because online tu just happen last time and it happen pun tiba-tiba kan. Suddenly tiba-tiba semua orang kena COVID macam tu kan. Semua orang kena COVID. The whole world kena COVID. So everyone had to be home. So tak sempat nak buat banyak-banyak. Okay. The 4 eyes can see us tak. Let me answer the question. Tak. For iStool is just a platform. So tak boleh nampak you pun. I cannot see you. Unless you want me to see you. Then sambil buat tu kita video call. But no. Macam cakap, For Eyes is just another platform for administering test. Contoh macam quizzes or Google Form macam tu. So you just jawab kat situ je. No one can see you. I cannot see you. You cannot see you. No one can see you. Unless I can see you on the video call. Oh, the name of the platform. For ISO is the name of the platform kan. I tengok you. Masuk. You want the joke? Sorry lah, saya tak faham joke. I kan lembab. Okay. Alright, so it's already 3 p.m. I do not want to waste a lot of your internet data. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me dalam WhatsApp group anytime. I will juga post dekat apa tempat tu nama YouFuture. Okay? So thank you for today. Right? Oh, for class yang pukul 2, I kelas apa? I'm selalu confused. My 2 o'clock class, do you want to start at 1:30 or do you want to start at 2? Nanti you let me know dalam group, okay? Okay, thank you for your time juga. Bye everybody. Thanks for today.